How to share files with quick share on Xiaomi phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the files manager application on your device and simply select on your document. So I'm going to select on a particular document over here. So let's tap on it, and as a tap on the document, or you can simply tap on the three dotted lines over here and select on share. As a tap on share, it will give us different options over here like quick share at the very first. So simply tap on quick share. Now as a tap on quick share, it will now search for the devices over here. So you can simply tap on who you can share with. So you can simply tap on visible to nearby devices and then tap on I agree. Now tap on done. And now if there are any devices, then you can simply tap on continue, and you can now turn on Bluetooth, and it will now you'll be able to use QR code and scan it, and you can just connect it and you can share your files with quick share on your Xiaomi phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.